Hi guys, my name is Golem, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Looping AI Profits, a new software that claims to help you make money online. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I'm pretty impressed with the results. What is Looping AI Profits? Looping AI Profits is a software that uses artificial intelligence to help you find profitable products to sell online. It does this by scanning the internet for products that are in high demand and have low competition. Once it finds a product, it will automatically create a website for you and start driving traffic to it. How does it work? Looping AI Profits works by using a combination of artificial intelligence and automation. The AI scans the internet for profitable products, and the automation takes care of creating the website and driving traffic to it. This means that you don't have to do any of the hard work yourself. Now I am going to show you a demo of this software, so let's see the demo.
Welcome to the demo video of Looping AI Profits. So first of all, it's a very powerful AI based system where every time we hit the refresh button and we see $30 payment over and over again. Yeah, literally $30 over and over again. So it's a very simple 3-step platform. So let me show you how it works. So here is the login page. I am entering my detail here like this, and now I'm entering my password, and now just click on sign in. And here is the powerful dashboard of Looping AI Profits. And here is the best sellers, so you can promote the products like JVZoo, Warrior Plus and ClickBank. So these are the very famous platforms. As you can see, here is the Warrior Plus. Like this, you can check the products here. There are so many products, and the price of these products are like $10 to $47 or $97. Yeah, so let me show you how you can receive commissions using Looping AI Profits. So first of all, we have to go on Looping AI sites. Now you can scrap any web page, like I'm entering my website here. Now just click on paste. Now click on submit. Okay, now click to open editor to edit the website. Okay, as you can see, the website is here. Now you can change the text. You can change the text like this. You can also change the logo. Even you can change any image. Now just click on, yeah. So now click on upload new file. Now choose the file, and there are so many, like I'm just uploading any random logo, and now click on it selected. Yeah, as you can see, the logo is here. You can change the button like right now, and you can add your affiliate link here. Yeah, this is the main part. You have to only replace your affiliate link here, as I have my own affiliate link for the website. So here it is. Now click on save and view website. Yeah, as you can see, the website are here. Yeah, this is it. You can check the website. Now button is here. If you will click on this, it will redirect you to offer page. Okay, so this is how Looping AI Profits works. And the other part is you can check your saved website here, and there are done for you loop sites but for that you have to upgrade it for done for you. And here are the bonuses. You can use bonuses for your promotions. Here are the done for you apps. Here are the descriptions, your mockup for using bonuses in your promotions. You can edit in your website. As you can see, there are almost 100 plus bonuses. Alright, and here is the ad creator tool. You can design your ad here, like just click on create new, and now create. Alright, like this, and now just click on open. Now click on overlay image. I have already downloaded an image, as you can see. Now just click here. You can design your ad cover like this, and now click on again. You can change the background image, or you can change the background image here. You can directly fill the background color like this, as you can see. Now you can add text like this. Click here and get this awesome app. Now you can change the color of this text like this. You can go to the emoji. You can select the emojis like this, all right. You can also enter the text inside this. Just click here and now here. $19 only. You can do something like this. As you can see, your ad cover is ready, and just click on save. You can check the quality. So this is how looping AI profits work, and here are the tutorials, 4 step-by-step tutorials, and if you have any issue then you can contact on support. So this is looping AI profits power. So thank you for watching.
How much does it cost? Looping AI profits costs $17 for the basic plan. There are also a few upsells, but they're not necessary. Is it legit? Yes, looping AI profits is legit. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I've made a few $100s. I'm not making a fortune, but it's a nice way to make some extra money on the side. Who is it for? Looping AI profits is for anyone who wants to make money online but doesn't have a lot of time or experience. If you're looking for a way to make some passive income, then looping AI profits is a good option. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use. No experience required. Can make you money. Cons: expensive. Not a get-rich-quick scheme. Overall, I think looping AI profits is a good product. It's easy to use, and it can help you make money online. However, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You still have to put in some work, but the rewards can be worth it. Thanks for watching my review of looping AI profits. If you're interested in learning more, click the link in the description. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Click the link in the description to learn more about looping AI profits. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.